Hi friends, Travis here. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. Today we have a room tour video. This is Carnival Magic Room 7299, a cozy little interior room on deck 7. Alright y'all, so we'll go ahead and start at the door. On the back of the door, as per usual, you've got all of your muster information, safety stuff there. And then immediately coming in to the right, which is the left for us from this perspective. But if you're coming in the room, if you look to your right, you'll have the main light switch there. You've got this thing. This needs to be in there in order for the lights to work. Normally it would be your cruise key card that goes in there, but I've been getting these little dummy ones a lot, which is super nice because then you don't have to worry about keeping your key in there. And yeah, this is the door to the bathroom. We'll go in there here in a minute, but let's go ahead and hop on over to the other side and take a look at the closets. You've got 3 doors here. This first one is your sideways hanging space here. There's some extra bedding up there. If the bed is in the twin configuration, I believe they use that bedding. And then down here, we've got life jackets. This room sleeps a maximum of 2 people, so it only has 2. Going next door, we've got this closet, which is just another hangy one. These ones are regular facing, and of course there's another shelf up top there. And then the third one, you got a nice full-length mirror here to get ready. And then we have another hanging rod up there, but not a lot of space below that because they've got shelving in here. And then coming over here, you've got a door there, some doors there. Above that is the TV. The TV is pretty undersized for the room, if you ask me, but it worked and I watched it a couple of times this week. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside here. This is where your safe is. It is one of the card swipey ones. You just use like a debit or credit card and it uses whatever information to, store just for the purpose of opening the safe. It doesn't charge you money or anything. And yeah. Down here we've got the fridge. For whatever reason, this fridge doesn't sit back all the way. So this, you'll notice, at least for this room, doesn't close all the way, which was kind of bugging me, but no big deal. And then this is just a standard little mini fridge here. I stored water and that's about it in there, but yeah, good to have, nice and cold. We'll hop across over here to the vanity. This top drawer has your hair dryer in it. And then these 3 down here are just, regular old drawers. Under the vanity, we've got trash can. You got this stool. Those are the pool towels. Up here on the vanity, there's your room phone, information about room service, things like that. That's the power outlet situation, just those 2. And then we've got this one over here. And that's it for the entire room. So keep that in mind. Bring adapters, whatever you need to do to maximize those 2 or 3 plugs, depending. Nice big vanity mirror here. And there is a vanity light, which is over here, I believe. I don't think I ever turned this on. But yeah, give you a little bit more light if you're doing makeup, hair, or whatever. Coming around the side of the room, nice art piece there. This is in the king configuration, so normally it would be made up much nicer than this. I just kind of put it together makeshift style for the video because I just woke up. I'm getting ready to leave the room. So anyway, and then let me go ahead and turn on this light here so we can get nice balance there. You've got a nightstand. There is a switch there to control the room lights. Another nightstand with a light, TV remote. That's what that looks like. Got another art piece on this wall. A couple of little hangy things there for the pool towels. And then that brings us back around to the TV console area. Let's go ahead and move across to the bathroom. Here's the door. There is the switch to the bathroom. It's already on, I believe. So if it wasn't, obviously I would just turn that switch on. You got a towel on the floor for when you shower. On this side, we got the vanity. Pretty standard cruise ship bathroom, but the vanity space is not bad. It's pretty big. I've definitely seen smaller. We've got storage thingies on either side. One of these mirrors that make your pores look all big. We've got that outlet situation there. And then on this wall, we have big towels, little towels, the toilet, the flushy thing, different notes and things, toilet paper, hand towel, scrubby thing, etc. There also is a trash can down there as well. For the shower, we've got one of those angular rectangle ones, which is a good size. It is a curtain, unfortunately, which I'm not the hugest fan of. And this shower was not my favorite. Water pressure was kind of weird, and it didn't really come out in like multiple little lines. It was like basically just all a dribble on, like, you know, one stream of dribble onto me. I don't know if that makes sense. So water pressure wasn't low, it just was weird. But that may just be unique to this shower. I'm not sure if that's a ship-wide issue. We've got this thing that pulls out and it plugs in to over there. It gives you a clothesline. I did wash one of my shirts in the sink, so I had that hanging up as well as my swimsuit this week. But yeah, let's go ahead and step back out into the main part of the room, and I'll do a little spin for you all so you can kind of see how everything is more or less configured. I want to thank you all so much for traveling with me. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and you all have a good night.